Hello everyone, I'm Anna. Today, I'll show you how to apply for GCMS notes, what they're used for. Let's start with the application process. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. In the search bar, type apply.gcmsnotes.ca. Then click on the very first link on page. After the page opens up, you will see a message pop up. Click on the link and then fill in your information. Then make a payment of $5 with your credit card. Make sure to activate foreign transactions before making the payment on your credit card, and that's how you can apply for GCMS notes. These notes only share information on why IRCC refused your Canada study visa, work permit, or status of express entry application or PR cards. It takes 30 business days to receive your notes. I hope this helps. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.